Okay, so this is my Tascam Portacapture X8. It's all loads of stuff on the back. I'm assuming you can't read any of that. Essentially, does lots and lots of things, but it is essentially a 32-bit float recorder, field recorder. And this is just an unboxing, so I'm not really going to go through a whole load of information. I'm just going to unbox it and see what it looks like, see what's in the box. So to start off, we have a very floppy manual, BB usual stuff, guarantee, things like that. So I shall watch that at my leisure. Inside the box we have the device itself. So much plastic in this stuff. Okay, so first look, that is the device itself. I'll just put that to the side while we look at what else is in. We have some very well wrapped batteries, which, well, they are batteries. I'll probably get some rechargeables to go in there, but most of the time this is going to be plugged in. So I will be running it off USB power. Okay. So we have, I'm going to guess and say, these are the mics for the top mount for XY or AB, or, oh my god, these things are impossible to read. There we go. Oh, that's... Okay, can you see these? Look pretty, but that's plastic. These feel very light, and I'm not sure they're the greatest quality, but we'll have to see how they hold up, how well they do. Let's just open the other one. I really should have got my YouTube knife out with it, but teeth work. Okay, so let's shove them into, oh, I want to say XY. There we go. That is XY, isn't it? There we go. So okay, we have a 1/4 mount on the back and a cold shoe and a battery compartment. Got a nice textured feel to it, see? So combo phono and XLR inputs. We have external in and out for, it says for a camera. I always thought you did that up there, but then that's, take one of these off and just plug a lav mic in. So yeah, external in, line out, in and out for camera. Headphones, obviously the headphones and speaker volume there. The speaker is here, which is tiny. You really don't want to be expecting too much from this. On the other side, we have again the combo XLR phono inputs. We have the power button and the hold, which is to lock your screen so that you don't accidentally change your settings. We have the cover for micro SD. Doesn't come with one. This will go up to 512 gig, and I will test that because I have a 512 gig card. See how quick it reads. And USB, so that you can use this as an audio interface to your iPad, phone, computer. It also powers, and it's automatic switching power, so if you have batteries in here and it's plugged in, it will automatically switch between the two. So if you unplug, it will just change straight to battery without any impact on the recording, which is cool. And that's really it until we turn it on, which I'm not doing right now. That's what we have. Oh, no, we don't. We have the front. Okay, so screen, home and stop button, record button, play, pause, mark if you want to set a marker in your recording, and your jog wheel for jogging. And on the bottom we have the speaker. We have a peak light to show when things are peaking, and we have a record light to show when it's recording. We also have, and obviously this is a separate purchase, so I'm probably never going to open with the nails that I have, but no, okay, that's not happening. But what's in there is a port to allow you to add a Bluetooth dongle that you can buy separately, which allows you to control the device from your phone. I will probably do this because where this is going to be positioned, I'm not actually going to be able to see the screen when I'm using it, and you'll understand more when you see the stand video that I put up. But for now, this is the Tascam Portacapture X8, and I'm quite excited about trying this out. I've used the Tascam, actually I'm not even sure what it's called, I'll dig it out, but it's I did like it. It's not anywhere near as capable as this, but it did a good job, and I have high hopes that this will as well. Thank you very much.